Budgets in QuickBooks Online let you estimate future income and expenses or account balances. QuickBooks Online Plus now lets you create both profit and loss and balance sheet budgets. Before creating a new budget, you may want to ensure the fiscal year setting is accurate, as the budget starts at the fiscal year's first month. To check the fiscal year setting in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Settings window. Click the Advanced button in the menu at the left side of the window. Then, inspect the first month of fiscal year setting in the Accounting section to the right. If needed, you can then edit the setting, save the change, and then close the Settings window. To create a budget in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Budgeting link under the Tools heading in the menu that appears to open the Budgets page. If creating a budget for the first time, click the Create Budget button that appears in this page to create a new budget in the window that opens. In the How do you want to set up your budget window, select the type of budget to create by selecting the desired option button for the budget type setting. Then, use the Period drop-down to choose the fiscal year for the budget. If creating a balance sheet budget, then select the Default View from the Default View drop-down. Alternatively, if creating a profit and loss budget, select the desired Budget Format option button. If you select the Subdivided Budget format, then use the Subdivide By and Subdivide For drop-downs to select for which customers, classes, or locations to subdivide the budget. To pre-fill a profit and loss budget with actual data if available, select the year from which to use the actual data from the Pre-fill Data drop-down. Alternatively, to remove the Pre-fill Data choice, click the Custom Budgets button. Separately, to download a budget template you can fill in on your PC and then upload back into QuickBooks Online, click the Import Budget link and then follow the on-screen instructions to perform that separate process. When finished, click the Next button in the lower right corner to continue. To edit the budget's information, click a line in the budget to edit. To split a total column amount across all months if editing a profit and loss budget, click into the desired row's Budget Totals column, enter the total value to split, and then click the blue Click to Split the Total Across the Row button at the right side of the cell. Alternatively, to manually enter amounts for a cell, enter the budget information into the columns within the selected row. To copy the value you type into a cell to all columns to its right, type a value into the desired field, and then click the Click to Copy the Value Across on the Row button, which looks like a right-pointing arrow in a blue circle at the right side of the cell. To save your changes, click the Save choice on the drop-down button in the toolbar in the lower right corner of the window. Alternatively, to save your changes and close the window, click the drop-down arrow on the drop-down button in the toolbar in the lower right corner of the window, and select the Save and Close choice. After closing the window, you then return to the Budgets page. The Budgets page shows all the budgets you created. To add a new budget after creating a budget, click the Create Budget button in the page's upper right corner. To view and/or edit a budget in the list of budgets in the Budgets page, click the drop-down under a budget's Actions column, and then select the View/Edit command. To delete a budget, click the drop-down under its Actions column, and then select the Delete command. Then click Yes in the confirmation window that appears. To copy a budget, click the drop-down under its Actions column, and then select the Duplicate command. Then select the period for which to duplicate the budget in the window that opens, and click the Duplicate button. To archive a budget, click the drop-down under its Actions column, and then select the Archive command. To unarchive an archived budget, click the Hide Archived Budgets toggle to turn it off. Then, click the drop-down under the Actions column for the archived budget, and choose the Unarchive command. To run a Budgets versus Actuals report for a budget in the Budgets page, click the Run Budget versus Actuals report link under the Desired Budgets Actions column. Alternatively, to run a budget overview report for a budget in the Budgets page, click the drop-down arrow under its Actions column, and then select the Run Budget Overview Report command. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.